be out here trying to convince people what we need to do. I'm just going to tell you, and then I'm going to set the example myself so that you could either follow my lead or not like it and try to do it your own way. But either way, you're going to know what I'm doing is right. See, these social media platforms don't have a product that go along with it. What they selling is your nigga ass and your ignorance. So they gambling on that they can neurologically program you to do what they say you should do. Social engineering is about psychologically, systematically reprogramming the minds of everybody that participate on any platform. So now we got all these fifth-dimensional spirits controlling three-dimensional bodies, but their mind is on a two-dimensional perspective, so their mind is being controlled by what it observes. But everything that you observe in 2D is purposely put out in spells and curses just to make you gravitate away from what your heart and your natural programming want you to do. They want you to be on a Western Hemisphere type of programming, so they take control of your mind so that your body has to go with it.